Hello everyone, welcome to Python series, Python exercise practice solution starting from the basic. In this video I'm talking about how to print a specified document. Let's start coding. You need only one function, means printing, and then here is, you can say triple means triple quotes, and is a message is string that you entering don't like a message. Simply open it, like have to open a message is like nothing. Open is open, close, I say, and then it's really hot. Yeah. Then a and multi line here heredoc string dash greater than example, and closing 1 2 3 and Control S. Okay, the format, and it's almost done, and let me run it. Yeah, finally, as you can see, it's printing a specific document parts and like a paragraph. So thanks for watching, and the source code is available in the description below, and my GitHub account, you can find the link. Thanks for watching. Bye.